In this video, we're going to look at saving a driver's license for a caregiver and then tracking when that driver's license requirement is going to expire. So for any requirements, they're set up in the admin section. So this is, if we go to caregiver requirements, we can see all the different requirements that are set. These are typically going to be used for different licensures, like a CNA license, a driver's license, anything that you need to track that is some sort of licensure that might expire, or auto insurance. You see other different options on here. So we can add other fields on here if we want, but we have driver's license already, which is what we need. So if we go to a caregiver, we go to Charlotte Bronte, say we want to enter her driver's license. We can look under requirements and then the requirements subtab, and these are all those different requirements we had listed from the admin section. So with any of these, say with driver's license, we can turn it on and give it whatever date we want. But even nicer is if we go to the document section, press add new, and then we add an image. So we want to add our driver's license. So this is test driver's license. We give it a name, driver's license. Is doc for requirement? Yes. And the requirement is driver's license. And we can put an expiration date on it. We'll say it expires soon, at the end of the month. Say done. You can see that the driver's license is here. We'll press save. If we go back in Charlotte Bronte, we can see under the requirements section that it did turn the driver's license requirement on with the expiration date that we set on it. And then if we go to reports, caregivers, and caregiver requirements, we can look for any requirements that might be expiring sometime soon. So this just shows all requirements if we have it on time frame anytime, but if we set a different time frame, like things expiring in 1 month, like the one we just did, it will show us, if we run a report, all requirements that are either expired or are expiring within the next month. So if we go to Charlotte Bronte, we can see that the driver's license we just set is set to expire in the next month. So it allows us to know when we should reach out to caregivers about getting updated licenses, whether driver's license, CNA, or anything else. I hope this helps you handling your requirements. Have a great day.